this isn't an unboxing, it's more like an unbagging, because I needed to go ahead and take it out, charge it up, and use it. And that, all occurred before I was able to sit and do a proper unboxing video. But so I didn't do that on this one, but I wanted to show it to you. This is the unit. So basically, this is the transmitter. And you see it says transmitter right here. So we just plug this in right here. Here is a XLR to 1/4-inch adapter. This just goes straight in the Aviom 1/4-inch port. And we power it up. We keep it on line for like mixers and live audio. It'd be on aux for, other kind of stuff, whatever. But the only thing that's really relevant to me for what I use it for is just being online. So it's channel 3, and you can cycle through the channels very easy. Just, the little blue number lets you know that's 1, 2, 3. And then your receiver here is the part that you actually connect your ears to. You just power it up. I know this is super complicated stuff, but you just power it up. And you don't have to cycle through these channels every time. Once you leave it, like I've got it on channel 3 for some reason, but it works. It's not interfering with anything at church. You cycle through, you can put it on whatever channel you want. And mine, I just keep it on 3. And when you see the green light, you know it's paired, and it's that easy. You don't have to do any kind of weird, complicated pairing ritual. You just put it on the same channel, the receiver and the transmitter, and you are solid gold. You're paired. You plug that in to the your mixer. It doesn't have to be in an Aviom. That's just what we use at our church, but yours can be in whatever audio system you use.